Did you smile today? Hey, did you smile today? Hey, did you smile today? How you doing? So if you like to see how I did these knotless braids by myself, then keep on watching. Okay, jumping straight in, it's been 8.5 hours and I have 2 sections left. I used a 3-pack Expressions Kanika pre-stretched hair in 1B/30. I bought 2 of these and used only a little bit of the second pack. If you're planning to pick this hair up, I recommend getting 2 just in case. If you plan to pick up individual packs, I recommend getting 4 packs of pre-stretched hair. Pre-stretched hair is the best one. And of course, everything will be linked down below in the description box. This is how much hair I have left from the first pack, and I'm going to split into 5 small pieces. The thickness of your hair will determine how many pieces you will need. After splitting up the braiding hair, I add curl cream to my hair and brush it through with my Tangle Teaser. You guys, if you have not seen my last video, this Tangle Teaser, I'm in love with it. Now I'm going to add some Shine and Jam to my roots and also brush that through on all 4 sides. Once all that is done, I split my hair into 3 sections to get ready to braid. Right now, I'm going to flip the screen. This is my right hand and this is my left hand for reference. I always start on my right side. I cross under the middle section with my right hand, then cross under the middle section with my left hand. I braid my hair about 5 to 10 passes down. I tuck the braiding hair under my natural hair on my left hand. Keep it pinched so the sections are separated. Now I'm ready for my right hand to go under the middle section and to continue braiding like normal. This will lock in the braiding hair. Don't overthink it, just braid like normal, having the right hand go under the middle, having the left hand go under the middle, and continue to braid like normal, about 3 to 5 passes down. Now before I have my right hand go under the middle section again, as you can see here, I'm ready to add my next piece of braiding hair. So I'm going to tuck that braiding hair underneath my left hand, and as you can see now all sections have a piece of braiding hair. I'm going to have my right hand go under the middle section and then my left hand go under the middle section and keep braiding down like normal. I'm going to continue to feed in the braiding hair this way until all 5 pieces are added. Once I get to the very end of my natural hair, I'm going to add some more Shine and Jam to really lock in my hair to blend with the braiding hair. And yes, I braid all the way down to the end until I can't braid anymore. And just like before, I'm going to add a curl cream, or you can use any moisturizing hair product of your choosing. And I'm going to brush it through, and then I'm going to add some Shine and Jam and brush it through. Make sure you're leaving out your baby hairs and your edges. We are not losing our edges in 2023, okay? Same as before, I'm going to start with my right hand going under my middle section, my left hand going under the middle section, and starting my braid 5 to 10 passes down. A pro tip, try to start your braid in the middle of your section and make sure that you have 3 even sections, as even as possible. When it's time to add your braiding hair, make sure that you put it behind your natural hair and then continue to braid like normal. Have your right hand go under the middle section and then your left hand go under the middle section and then braid down as normal. Depending on how thick your hair is will determine how many pieces you would need of the braiding hair. So because my hair is unfortunately not as thick, I need 5 pieces. But if your hair is thicker than mine, then you could just need like 3 big chunks. I did try to use more pieces of braiding hair, but it looked very chunky and less uniform, so I do recommend using more pieces of braiding hair if your hair is as thin as mine or thinner, especially because it helps with the weight of the braiding hair. But overall, this hairstyle is very lightweight. When it comes to adding your braiding hair, the goal is to keep your 3 legs even. If there's less hair on one side, that's when I add the piece to my left hand and lock it in by continuing to braid as normal. Again, when you reach the end of your natural hair, add some extra Shine and Jam or gel to blend your hair with the braiding hair. Girl, these braids are long, so this took about almost 9 hours to do. Long ass weave touched down my back. I'm feeling myself a conceited. When it came to parting my hair, I used this FaceTime method I saw on TikTok. I mounted my phone on my ring light, and you don't necessarily need to have a ring light. You can simply find somewhere high enough to prop your phone up. But once my phone was mounted, then I had my laptop in front of me and I FaceTime myself. Now I can easily see the back of my head and part it without having to stand up with 2 mirrors. This is my 4th or 5th time doing my own braids, and these parts is looking good. Lastly, I'm going to oil my scalp, add some mousse, dip my braids in some hot water, and we'll be right back with the final look. This is the final look. I added some jewelry, just a little something. My hair is 1B/30, so I do have a little bit of light brown on my ends. I did not curl them. I might curl them in about 2 weeks. We'll see. But right now, I'm just going to keep my ends nice and straight. So what do you guys think? I think I did pretty good for my first time. I think I did pretty good. Hopefully the voiceover was good. Let me know if you have any questions, if you need some clarification. It's basically a braid at the top, and you could kind of see where I started to add hair, but don't look too close. I think this looks pretty good. For a beginner, it looks pretty good. Honestly, you guys, I don't know if I'm gonna go back to box braids. I think knotless braids are the go-to. I just love how easy it is for me to put my hair up. This does not hurt. It's been about 2 days. This does not hurt to put it up this high, to put it into a bun. I can swing it around if I want to because it's not tight. It's like a braid at the top, so it's pretty loose. It is no secret that I love my hair. These 52 inches, I've been swinging them around. My hair is never really this long. I usually stop kind of at my waist. I'm never like a have your hair tickle your booty type of person, but I like it. I try to do a little fall makeup, but I think it works. Let me know what you guys think. The videos are coming for makeup videos if you would like some makeup videos. But these are how my braids turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!